Hey guys, it's me, Boss Nash. I'm gonna teach you how to play the Gothic octave. Now it's kind of advanced. I'm not really that advanced, so I guess it's not really super advanced, but the stretch is super crazy. So if you don't really have big hands like me, I don't really have big hands. Or I do for my body height. I'm 5'4". I got pretty big hands for 5'4". So I just slide up. So you're gonna want to start on the 4th fret, 5th fret, and then slide up to the 9th fret of the E. Now repeat that same shape up on the A. Now practice that a little bit, and then it's that same shape. It just starts on a note, goes up a half step, then goes up 4 frets. So that's 2 steps. And then on the D string, you don't play here, you go up a step. And then play that same shape. And you go up to the 11th fret that time. So you go 6th, 7th, 11th on the D. So you do that same shape on the G. And then next you're gonna do, it doesn't move up a step. It goes up a step and a half, since it's on the B string. It's tuned differently than the other strings. So then you're going on the 9th fret, 1 step up, and you're gonna slide up to the 14th fret, and then you go same on the E. But on the E, you can go up a whole step there. So you go. You can tap it if you really want to do that. You can do the stretch since the frets are smaller up here. Sorry, I'm not plugged in right now. And that Gothic octave is in the key of F sharp. So if you're gonna that's in the key that it's in. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial on the Gothic octave, George Lynch's Gothic octave. Just dropped my pick. Probably gonna be lost forever. See you another time.